Hello guys! So today I'm gonna share with you one of the things na ginagawa ko in my freelancing business as a funnel designer. So time check, it's 6 a.m. in the morning and mamayang 8 is meron na akong client call. So this client call is, actually hindi ko pa siya client, nag-apply siya sa website ko. He applied to work with me and nakita niya yung link ng website ko sa Instagram. So while waiting for the client call is nagpe-prepare na ako ng things na kailangan ko, like for example ito, piece of paper and then syempre ball pen para magjo-jot down notes ako while we are in a call. And then also syempre konting mag-aayos ng mukha, di ba? Para naman hindi tayo mukhang at least mukha pa rin tayong presentable tingnan kahit na nakapambahay ako. So, sa table ko kasi, meron akong ganito. Ayan. So, meron akong mirror. So, wait. Tanggalin natin yung mic. So, meron akong mirror dito. And then, this mirror is actually like, ito yung ginagamit ko kapag mag-aayos ako ng mukha dito sa dito sa aking workstation. So, kapag for example, magle-lipstick ako, ganyan. So, siya, ayan, nailaw siya. Ayan. So, this mirror is actually nayuyuko siya. Ayan, nayuyuko siya if kailangan mong iyuko. And then, this side is magnifier. So, for example, kailangan mo mag-ayos sa mata or malapit, hindi ka na kailangan na lumapit mismo dun sa mirror kasi dito ka lang titingin and then mukha na siyang malapit. And then this one is, itong sa side na to is normal mirror din, normal mirror, and then this one. So, ayan. So, kapag kailangan mo ng konting light, then meron siyang light dyan para pwede ka nang mag-ayos ng mukha. So, sa mga mommies out there na gusto na ganito, is ilalagay ko lang yung link sa yellow basket. So, ayan. So, mag-lipstick na muna ako para mag-prepare for the call later. So, ang importante lang kasi is hindi ako yung mukhang maputla or yun nga, mukhang maputla sa camera para as in, yung magmumukha akong alive, diba? Kapag nag-zoom call. Kaya kailangan ko mag-makeup or mag-lipstick. O, diba? Mukha na akong hindi maputla. Mukha na akong presentable tingnan kahit na nakapambahay ako. So, hintayin ko na lang yung client and then, papakita ko lang sa inyo saglit itong nasa gilid ko. Tadan! So, si Pikachu. So, nandiyan si Pikachu. Actually, nakuha ko siya sa sa Tom's World. Nagko-collect kasi ako ng mga tickets, ganyan, kapag nagpupunta kami sa Tom's World. Kaya, yan yung na-claim namin kahapon. So, ano ba yung pinag-uusapan during the discovery call or yung kapag first call nyo with the client? Okay, so normally is by the word itself, discovery call, is i-discover mo yung all about the business ng client. So for example, tatanungin mo siya kung bakit siya nag-book ng call with you, how you can help him or her. Tapos tatanungin mo kung ano yung nature ng business niya, everything about the business. Tatanungin mo yan. And then also, tatanungin mo rin kung ano yung i-offer ni client dun sa funnel na nagagawin mo. So, let's say na this client is my ideal client and then kaya ko siyang tulungan. Then, we can move to the next step or I can offer na my service. So, ayun. Malalaman natin yan later on. And time check, it's 7:45. So, magre-ready na ako. Iayusin ko na yung Zoom ko. And then, let's see if this client is a fit or not. When do you want this project, to launch? Your funnel.
Realistically, like, I might need to wait a little bit because 1,000 was a little bit more than I was expecting. I was thinking more like 500, but I want to do it. I almost want to have some more copy. I want to, like, if I'm going to do this, I want to kind of change the funnel a little bit. instead of a redesign, I'd almost rather just do a new funnel with you, maybe, and come with the copy instead.
So I will send.
And then do you also offer like tech support? What all do you guys offer?
So I actually offer like JHL support for
Cool.
yes, but more on the funnel side and automations.
Okay.
So everything that's beyond that is no.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. See you again soon.
Yeah. Take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So ayun guys. Kakatapos ko lang ng ang aking call. And I think it's a yes for this client. So, narinig nyo naman, diba, na sinabi niya na thousands is not, hindi niya ini-expect. And iniisip lang niya na nasa 500 lang. But, he mentioned na he still want to do it. So, kung magkano man yung offer ko, secret ko na lang. So, again, conducting discovery call is something na talagang ginagawa ng isang freelancer sa kanyang business. So, whatever business pa ang meron ka. So, like me is, ang freelancing business ko is funnel design. I offer funnel design for my clients. So, nagka-conduct talaga ako ng discovery call para malaman ko kung talagang client siya and we are fit to work together. And yun. So, I hope you like this video. So, make sure to follow me for more